Hello and welcome to my channel Travel for Life, and in this video I am going to discuss about what are the travel options for you if you lose your BRP UK residence card outside UK. So recently I have lost my BRP in Paris. So what are the different options you explored and how you can reach back to the UK again? As you know, BRP is the must. You must need to have BRP to reach UK from outside the UK. Okay, so I will share my experience in the end of the video, like what I did to reach UK. Okay, so first thing first, if you lose your BRP, what you need to do? So if you lose your BRP, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the police station, nearest police station, and report about the loss. So either get the report or get the FIR, and make sure that your BRP number are all also mentioned in that report. Okay. So once you get the report, you need to go to the government.uk website. Link I have given in the description. I need to inform that you have lost your BRP. Okay. So once you inform that government.uk website, the another thing, the standard way to reach UK is you need to apply for the replacement BRP visa. Replacement BRP visa cost you £154, and you need to stay for 3 weeks, up to 3 weeks, to get the replacement BRP visa. Once you get the BRP visa, then you can come to the UK, and after coming to the UK you can apply for the replacement BRP, which will cost you around £38 per person approx. And then you need to again go for the biometric and photo in UK, and then after few days, like 4 to 6 weeks, you will receive your new BRP. Or in I got in just 7 to 8 working days only. So it depends person to person also. Okay, so this is the case. This is the entire process if you lose your BRP, and what are the standard process. But there are few, if you lost your BRP in Europe, in Paris or somewhere, then there are other options you can try. These are not recommended by gov.uk or any one person or any travel companies like train or bus, anything. But you can give it a try. You can try your luck. Sometimes it works, sometimes it may not work. Okay, so there are three options to travel from Europe to UK. Okay, the first option is flight, but if you lost your BRP, you are not allowed at any cost to enter UK, because the airlines itself, they will not give you the boarding pass to reach to board the plane. So 99.99% you are not allowed in any case to come via flight. Even in exceptions are obviously everywhere. The second option is the Eurostar train. So from Paris you can board the Eurostar train and you can come to the UK. But if you have lost your BRP, so the first place, like, they will check your ticket, they will check your passport by Eurostar. Then you will come to the France immigration. So France immigration, you can just go and show your case. You need to give your police report, you need to give your passport, you need to give your lost BRP copy, as well as the lost Schengen visa. If you lost already passport, so Schengen visa also lost. So you need to give all those copy, and you need to tell your situation. It depends on the mostly immigration official. France don't worry about this thing. They just take few minutes time. They will ask few questions, and they discuss with their seniors, and within few minutes they will allow. So once that they allowed, you need to go to the next immigration. So the best thing about the train and bus is that UK immigration and France immigration both happens at the same place. That is, if you are coming by a train, so France immigration or Schengen visa immigration and UK immigration happen at Nord railway station in Paris itself. Okay, so once we have done, once your once your immigration done by France, you are asked up, like after 2-3 meter only, the UK immigration is there. So again you need to go there, you need to explain your case, you need to show the police report, you need to show the copy of the BRP and all the details. Okay, and you need to tell your case. Okay, so once you tell everything, once you've shown all the documents, they might it all depends on the immigration officer also. So they will take your documents, they will discuss with their your maybe seniors, or they will understand things, and if your case are genuine and everything is fine, they might allow you to enter the board the train to UK, London. Okay, so this is the second option, is the train. The third option is you can try, and the cheapest option is the bus. Bus you can board from anywhere in Europe and come to the Calais, that is in France, and from France the bus used to come via a ferry to the UK. Okay, so the France immigration and UK immigration happens at Calais in France itself. Okay, so you need to again go there, you need to explain your case, you need to show the police report, everything, copy of the BRP, and everything you need to show it to them. It depends on again the immigration official if they will allow or not allow. It totally depends on luck. But as you know, the standard process is going for the BRP replacement visa only. But these are the different options. You can give it a try, like train or bus. Okay, you can give it a try. If they will allow, then it is good. Else, if you go, if you like, if someone is going for the BRP replacement visa, it costs a lot because it will come mostly in up to 3 weeks. Okay, so you need to stay, suppose in Paris or Europe, anywhere you need to stay for 3 weeks additional. So that will cost you around approx 2,000 to 3,000 pound. Okay, because rent, hotel is too costly, food is costly, a lot of things. Maybe if you are working in UK, then you need to take the leaves and all. Another option is you can go back to your home country, and from there you can apply for the replacement visa. But again, going to home country, it costs you, again need to apply everything, so it will cost a lot. So in that case, what you need to do, so these are the different options, travel options, you can give it a try. So when I lost my BRP last month, I have gone through everything. I talked to a UKVI also. They have given me like you need to apply for the BRP replacement visa. Then I have gone to the website and I checked different people, different experiences, what they have done when they lost their BRP. Okay, after doing the aggressive search on the website, I just concluded let's try a luck, because I have a small baby, and waiting in Paris for like more than 3 weeks or around 3 weeks is very difficult and very costly also. Going back to India or your home countries also, it's very costly and time consuming as well. So I thought let's try our luck. So we tried our Eurostar train from the Paris railway station. The best thing about, if they denied at Paris boarding at Paris station, I can go back to Paris and I can try the different options. So the first thing, like I've taken the ticket for the Eurostar. Okay, so with Eurostar, the first they will check that your ticket and passport by Eurostar, and after that you go to the France immigration. So France immigration, first they will check your everything, all the details. You can I have explained all my conditions and all. So they ask few questions, and then they talk to their seniors, and after few minutes they allowed me. Okay, so they opened the gate. I went to the next step. So next step is the like UK immigration. At UK immigration official was there. I have given my I told him my situation. I have shown the police report, that is very important. I have given the BRP copy. I have given the Schengen visa copy as well. I have given the passport. I have explained my conditions. So the that immigration official, he just he taken all the documents and he asked us to wait for some time. We explained all our situation, and also the most important thing, you need to report before boarding, or before going for boarding any train or bus. You must need to report for loss of your BRP online on gov.uk website. So I already did it, because immigration officer will also ask whether you have done it or not. Okay, so they asked me to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so we waited on a bench, and then after 5 to 10 minutes, one immigration official come with all of our passports, and all the stamping were done, and they allowed us to enter. So gate were open, and we boarded the Eurostar train and reached UK. So we tried our luck and it worked, but it's may or may not work for you. So the standard process you can definitely follow anytime, like BRP replacement visa. But if you have like, you can try different options. Maybe if you are lucky, then you can come back via this process. Else you need to again try that options like original one. Okay, so these are my experience, and as I tell you, it's very hectic and very it's not good. We tried different options. We like, it was a horrible situation for us, and but you don't need to worry. If you go through the process, if you follow all the process, everything will be very simple and it's easy only. Obviously it will cost a little money, but that's happened. And also this if something is pickpocketing, like passport, BRP, everything, it's very common in Europe. So we went to like Indian embassy, and every day, like they said, around 8 to 10 people lose their passport, and like, so this is very common. You don't need to worry too much. You just need to go through the process. Obviously it's a little painful, but it happens. Okay, so these are my experiences, and these are different travel options if you lose your BRP, especially in Europe or Paris or something. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching my channel Travel for Life, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.